Good morning, children. This is Shubhal sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter data handling, chapter 5 from NCRT book. As of now, we have completed the first question of this exercise. So, children, here in this video, I'm going to discuss about two very important questions from this exercise. That is exercise 5.2, question number 5.5.2. Question number 2. Let us have a discussion on this first. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite seasons from three different seasons: winter, summer, rainy, winter, and summer. Okay, children, here we can see a table is prepared for us. The summer season, how many number of people like summer season? 90 people. 90 people like summer season. 120 people like rainy seasons, and 150 people like winter seasons. This is the total out of 360 people the survey was conducted, and out of 360 people, 90 people likes summer, 120 people like rainy, and 150 people like winter seasons. Now the question is which seasons got the most number of votes? Of course, children, it's clearly understandable that winter season is liked by the maximum number of people. Okay, find the central angle for each sectors. Let us calculate the central angle. Children, central angle, the process of calculating the central angle for summer season. Children, why do we need the central angle? Central angle is needed for drawing the pie chart or the pie graph. Okay, so let us calculate the central angle for summer. Children, summer liked by 90 people out of 360 people, so 90 by 360 into 360 degree. We are multiplying with 360 degree because we know that a pi is complete a circle, and a circle is always measuring an angle of 360 degree. This is why, in order to get the central angle of particular item or particular data, we need to write that on top, divided by the total number of the data or a element on what it is being calculated into 360 degree. So 360 degree is a compulsory to multiplication in order to get the central angle. 360 cancelled. Answer is 90 degrees. Central angle always comes answer in degree. Now let us calculate for rainy. Rainy is 120 divided by 360 into 360 degree. Okay, children. So 360 and 360 got cancelled. 120 degree. Okay, the next one is winter. Let us calculate for winter. Winter is 150 people likes out of 360 into 360 degree. 360 and 360 got cancelled. Answer will be 150 degree. Now what is our part of job? Our part of job to draw up pie chart on this data. Okay, children, the very first process is what we need a compasses. Okay, draw a circle, an average size circle, neither big nor small. This is the center of the circle. Draw a radius. Now, children, place the protector like this on the circle, and the center of the protector should be falling on the center of the circle. Now draw 90 degree on this circle. So children, I have drawn 90 degree on this circle, and write 90 degree and write summer inside of it. Now children, what we need to do? We need to place the protector once again like this. The center of the protector should be falling on the center of the circle, and we are supposed to draw 120 degree. Suppose, children, this is 120 degree. Okay, now remove the protector. We are just removing the protector. Okay, and measure of this angle is 120 degree, and this is rainy. This is rainy season. This is rainy season. And the last over, the left over, the angle which is left from this pie chart, you don't have to measure also. I can we guarantee the measure of this angle is 150 degree. The this one is it belongs to winter. So children, if you find the sum of all these angles, 120 degree plus 90 degree plus 150 degree, it is supposed to be 360 degree. This is how we actually calculate this pie chart. We draw the pie chart. So I believe it's absolutely clear to everyone. Now let us try the next one. The next one is question number 3. Let's understand how to do this. There's some colors are written and the number of people. A survey was conducted on 36 people. Blue color is liked by 18 people. Green liked by 9 people. Red liked by 6 people. Yellow liked by 3 people. So let us find the central angle for each. Central angle for blue color will be 18 out of 36 people into 360 degree. 36 and 60 will be 10. It is 180 degree. Now for green will be 9 by 36 out of 360 degree. So it will be 10. Answer will be 90 degree. Next one is red. Red is liked by 6 people out of 36 into 360. Cancelling it, it will be 60 degree. Next is yellow. Yellow will be 3 out of 36 into 360. Cancelling it, it will be 10, 30 degree. So children, I got for blue, B for blue is 180. Blue is 180. Let me write properly. Blue is B for blue. Blue is 180. G for green. Green is 90. Red, R for red is 60. Yellow, Y for yellow is 30 degree. If you calculate the sum of all this number, it will be 360 degree only. Now how to draw the pie chart, children? The very first job is to draw a circle, a average size circle. We will draw an average sized, neither bigger nor smaller. This is the center of the circle. Placing the protector, we will draw first 180 degree. This is 180 degree. It's a straight line. Okay, this is for blue, 180 degree. Next, from placing here only, we will draw 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is for green. Green is 90 degree. Next is red. Red is 60 degree. Placing here only, we will calculate. This is 60 degree for red, and the leftover one is 30 degree. That is for yellow. So children, this is how we have to draw the pie chart. I believe it's absolutely clear to everyone. If there is any doubts and confusion, please let me know. Feel free to speak. And please do try these things in your classwork copy, white copy, using ruler, pencils. Do not use pen to draw the pie chart. And please submit your work positively in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.